bunch of things, right from my personal needs to my professional needs. There are different AI tools that I leverage, for doing, let's say, image work, finding out some concepts on medical, deciphering complex reports, leveraging, AI to give me a description of the spreadsheets, leveraging AI to give me inputs on technology, right? Multiple things, right? So different tools for different use cases. A lot. The first thing that comes to my mind is contextualization and personalization, right? So if I correlate that to the retail world, right, you need to be personalized and contextualized while serving me a bit of content. If I'm really following what's happening in the Hormuz Strait, right, you serve me that content. But if I am a content reader which is more about sports, which is more about business, which is more about markets, right, you should be knowing me and you should be addressing me in one single voice. So that's most important. Media served to me, which is contextualized to the target audience. That's number one. I'm sure you've heard about the concept of micro dramas, right? So micro dramas are possibly for people with short attention span, such as me, right? So you figure out what are those 10 variants that you could serve up to different segments. And for all that, you would need a lot of AI, right? To build it out in that micro millisecond, which is the single source of truth. Well, the first and foremost is, how authorized, right? What are the guardrails that the media company are using that this concept is being served up to them, right? The whole piece around governance, the whole piece around authenticity, right? So this is what comes to my mind, right? I mean, there are various examples where something is served up on the WhatsApp University, but actually when you go and check it out, right, it's different. So that keeping that governance model, keeping that guardrails around the content is very important for a media company. A lot, actually, right? Look at this forum, right? It's got newsroom people, it's got journals, right? It's got the editorial team, it's the business team, right? So what they're trying to understand from each other is what are the new innovations in their respective fields that the other players are adopting, and it'll provide efficiency, it'll provide more revenue opportunities for them. So it's a good collaboration mechanism to find out the best of the breed in the industry. Got it. So I am a professional that is catering to horizontal solutions but vertically applied, right? So I know what's happening in BFSI world. I know what's happening in the manufacturing world, right? I know what's happening in the education world. So I was very curious to know, hey, what are the initiatives that the media organizations are taking, and adoption of AI, for their betterment. So that will be my takeaway.